In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Jira subscription. If you need to confirm your current plan, review how many user seats are being used, or check when your next billing date is coming up, Jira gives you a straightforward way to do that through the Atlassian admin area. This is especially helpful if you manage billing, oversee a team workspace, or simply want to make sure your subscription still matches your organization's needs. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to admin.atlassian.com. You can also sign in through your Jira site and access the admin area from there if that's how you normally work. Once the page loads, sign in to your Atlassian account so you can reach your organization's administration dashboard. After you're inside the main admin area, look for the billing section in the top navigation or within the organization options on the landing page. Click Billing to open the central area where Atlassian keeps your subscription and payment details. This is where you'll be able to review the information connected to your Jira products. If your organization manages more than one Atlassian site, you may be asked to choose the specific site you want to review. In that case, select the correct workspace or production site from the list. Once you click it, the billing view will refresh and show the subscription details for that site. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar for a section labeled Overview or Subscriptions. Click that option to open the summary page. This page gives you a clear snapshot of the active plans connected to your Jira environment, which is usually the fastest way to verify what subscription is currently in use. Now take a closer look at the product listing for Jira Software or Jira Service Management, depending on what your organization uses. Here, you'll be able to see the active plan tier, such as Free, Standard, Premium, or Enterprise. Right next to that, you should also see your user count or seat usage. This helps you confirm whether you're using the number of licenses you're paying for and whether your team is getting close to the plan limit. Finally, check the area beneath the product details for information, like the next invoice date or payment schedule. This is useful for staying ahead of renewals and avoiding surprises in your billing cycle. Since Atlassian updates this information directly in the admin portal, it's a reliable place to monitor your subscription status, and that's it. You now know how to check your Jira subscription, review your plan, confirm seat usage, and verify your renewal details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.